What is your name?
My name is Emma.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
How are you today?
I am fine today.
How are you today?
I am fine today.
Where are you from?
I am from England.
Where are you from?
I am from England.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I enjoy tea.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I enjoy tea.
What is your hobby?
Reading is my hobby.
What is your hobby?
Reading is my hobby.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you play football?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Do you play football?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What is your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite.
What is your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Is it sunny?
Yes, it is sunny.
Is it sunny?
Yes, it is sunny.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What do you eat?
I eat healthy food.
What do you eat?
I eat healthy food.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I do.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I do.
When do you wake up?
I wake up early.
When do you wake up?
I wake up early.
Do you cook meals?
Yes, I cook meals.
Do you cook meals?
Yes, I cook meals.
Do you work hard?
Yes, I work hard.
Do you work hard?
Yes, I work hard.
Do you study English?
Yes, every day.
Do you study English?
Yes, every day.
Why learn English?
It helps communication.
Why learn English?
It helps communication.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I do.
What movies do you like?
I like comedies.
What movies do you like?
I like comedies.
Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
What book do you read?
I read novels.
What book do you read?
I read novels.
Do you use computers?
Yes, every day.
Do you use computers?
Yes, every day.
Do you have internet?
Yes, I do.
Do you have internet?
Yes, I do.
What is your phone number?
It is private.
What is your phone number?
It is private.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Where do you shop?
I shop downtown.
Where do you shop?
I shop downtown.
Do you save money?
Yes, I do.
Do you save money?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite fruit?
Mango is my favorite.
What is your favorite fruit?
Mango is my favorite.
What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots.
What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I do.
Can you ride bicycles?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride bicycles?
Yes, I can.
Do you travel often?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you travel often?
Yes, sometimes.
Where did you travel?
I visited Paris.
Where did you travel?
I visited Paris.
Do you like beaches?
Yes, very much.
Do you like beaches?
Yes, very much.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, I do.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, I do.
What season do you like?
I like spring.
What season do you like?
I like spring.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What month is this?
This is June.
What month is this?
This is June.
What year is it?
It is 2026.
What year is it?
It is 2026.
Do you have children?
No, I don't.
Do you have children?
No, I don't.
Do you visit friends?
Yes, regularly.
Do you visit friends?
Yes, regularly.
Who is your best friend?
Sarah is my friend.
Who is your best friend?
Sarah is my friend.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I do.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I do.
Can you sing well?
Yes, a little.
Can you sing well?
Yes, a little.
Do you play guitar?
No, I don't.
Do you play guitar?
No, I don't.
What sports do you enjoy?
I enjoy tennis.
What sports do you enjoy?
I enjoy tennis.
Do you go jogging?
Yes, every morning.
Do you go jogging?
Yes, every morning.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I do.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I do.
What is your address?
I prefer privacy.
What is your address?
I prefer privacy.
Are you busy today?
Yes, quite busy.
Are you busy today?
Yes, quite busy.
Are you tired now?
No, I am energetic.
Are you tired now?
No, I am energetic.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy.
What makes you happy?
Family makes me happy.
What makes you happy?
Family makes me happy.
Do you help others?
Yes, I do.
Do you help others?
Yes, I do.
Are you honest?
Yes, I am.
Are you honest?
Yes, I am.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
What animal do you like?
I like dogs.
What animal do you like?
I like dogs.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
Do you like parties?
Yes, occasionally.
Do you like parties?
Yes, occasionally.
What is your dream?
I want success.
What is your dream?
I want success.
Do you set goals?
Yes, I do.
Do you set goals?
Yes, I do.
Are you optimistic?
Yes, I am.
Are you optimistic?
Yes, I am.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I do.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I do.
What breakfast do you eat?
I eat cereal.
What breakfast do you eat?
I eat cereal.
Do you drink water?
Yes, frequently.
Do you drink water?
Yes, frequently.
Can you cook rice?
Yes, I can.
Can you cook rice?
Yes, I can.
Do you wash dishes?
Yes, I do.
Do you wash dishes?
Yes, I do.
Do you clean rooms?
Yes, regularly.
Do you clean rooms?
Yes, regularly.
What chores do you do?
I vacuum floors.
What chores do you do?
I vacuum floors.
Do you watch television?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you watch television?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you use social media?
Yes, every day.
Do you use social media?
Yes, every day.
Can you type fast?
Yes, I can.
Can you type fast?
Yes, I can.
Do you send emails?
Yes, frequently.
Do you send emails?
Yes, frequently.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I do.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I do.
What photos do you take?
I photograph nature.
What photos do you take?
I photograph nature.
Do you enjoy painting?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you enjoy painting?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you draw pictures?
Yes, a little.
Can you draw pictures?
Yes, a little.
What language do you speak?
I speak English.
What language do you speak?
I speak English.
Can you learn quickly?
Yes, I can.
Can you learn quickly?
Yes, I can.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, often.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, often.
Do you give advice?
Yes, when needed.
Do you give advice?
Yes, when needed.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I do.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I do.
What gifts do you like?
I like books.
What gifts do you like?
I like books.
Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, I do.
Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, I do.
What cake do you like?
I like chocolate cake.
What cake do you like?
I like chocolate cake.
Do you enjoy holidays?
Yes, very much.
Do you enjoy holidays?
Yes, very much.
What holiday do you like?
I like Christmas.
What holiday do you like?
I like Christmas.
Do you visit relatives?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you visit relatives?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you enjoy picnics?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy picnics?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell jokes?
Yes, occasionally.
Can you tell jokes?
Yes, occasionally.
Do you laugh often?
Yes, I do.
Do you laugh often?
Yes, I do.
Are you patient?
Yes, usually.
Are you patient?
Yes, usually.
Are you friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Are you friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Do you make friends easily?
Yes, I do.
Do you make friends easily?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy teamwork?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy teamwork?
Yes, I do.
What is your strength?
I am hardworking.
What is your strength?
I am hardworking.
Do you love learning?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you love learning?
Yes, absolutely.
What motivates you?
Success motivates me.
What motivates you?
Success motivates me.
Do you manage time?
Yes, carefully.
Do you manage time?
Yes, carefully.
Are you organized?
Yes, I am.
Are you organized?
Yes, I am.